Hello, this is Katrina Oates here, your module coordinator for Situated Communication. I'd just like to give you a quick tour around the Moodle site for this module, just so that you can start navigating your way through it and familiarising yourself with the layout and with the tools and knowing where to find the relevant materials for the relevant day. So as you can see, we're on the home page here. You can always navigate using this toolbar up here. This is the homepage for our module, Situated Communication. This is the Moodle code for the module. And as you can see on the homepage, we have announcements. This is where you will find any news, updates, changes, feedback, any kind of announcements at all that we want to communicate to all the students in the module. You'll find them here. Okay, there's also a media library which will have some clips, also the lecture recordings, but these will also be posted in each daily tab. We'll come to that in a minute. And this is a link for the little video that you're watching now. Okay, so you can see for the layout of the content of the module, this is arranged in a grid format. Our first tab here has all the module information. So let's just open that one up. In the Module Information tab, you have staff contact details. This is the teaching team for this module. You also have the link to the module handbook. Now, in the module handbook, you'll find all information about timetables, about lectures and workshops, and whichever rooms we're going to be meeting in. So that's a useful document to download and familiarise yourself with. If we move on to the next section, which is the next day we're going to meet, you can see that we've got an introduction to the work we're going to be doing here. You have the content for today, for Monday the 10th of September. In this link here, you'll get a link to the lecture after it's happened. Here is where you'll find the workshop tasks, and to keep you right for today, just a little checklist about all the work that you've done. So if we go back to the home page, I'll use the toolbar up here. We can also navigate via these tabs. If you open one of the tabs for one of the days, that allows you to see the content for that day and also to navigate backwards and forwards to the adjacent tabs. So the layout here is very straightforward. We have one tab for every day that we meet. They are dated, and as you can see, we're moving through until we get to school experience week. You'll be coming back, you'll have an assignment briefing, and then we'll be doing some presentations. An important tab for you is the assessment tab. This has information about the assessment for this module. It's got some information about referencing guidance for you. So here you'll find details of how to submit your assignment, when to submit it, where to submit it, and also details about your presentations, which is part of the assessment that you do. Other than that, I think it's probably quite important that you familiarise yourself with a few tools that are frequently used on Moodle. One of these is the forum tool, and on day 2 that we meet, which is the 17th, I think, one of the tasks you have to do is add a post to a forum. Now these are commonly used in many modules, and you'll get used to using these, but this will probably be the first time you have to add something to a forum. So it's really very straightforward. All you need to do is press this button here, open this button here. In the subject field, please add your name, and in the message field, please add the content of the reflection, in this case, that we're asking you to do here. So name, so that we know who's posted and who hasn't, and then just the content of your reflection in the message field here. And then you submit, post to forum, and we know that you have done this particular task. So there are many other tools which are used in Moodle. You'll get to know them as you familiarise yourself with this module and many other modules, but I hope that quick guide has reassured some of you that it's actually not quite as daunting as it seems. You'll get very used to it very quickly. Good luck everyone. Thanks then.